and welcome back to my channel. Today, I got these, well, I ordered these off Amazon a few days ago, and just because I need to organize my drawers. They're pretty messy and just have like no order to them, and they're just getting so out of control. So and then my tabletop is getting really crowded. If you subtract my containers, I have a ton of brushes, I have a ton of makeup products out on the table, and I want to try and see if I can get most of it in these containers. Now these little ones, I don't know what could possibly fit in these, but yeah, I don't know about those. But all these other ones, I'm hoping I can get quite the organization out of these. So we'll see, and we're gonna go ahead and go through that today. So wish me luck, and I'll just kind of fast forward for you guys and kind of show you guys what I'm doing, but we'll just speed it through today. So I hope you guys enjoy. Make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. If you want to see more of these organization videos, make sure you thumbs up so I know that you guys are enjoying them. And we're gonna go ahead and begin. So I'm kind of done with my drawers. I'm kind of happier with what they're at. I was able to eliminate most of my primers from that area. I emptied all my liners out of here, both my eyeliners and lip liners. That was in a different part of my room. It wasn't on this table. I went ahead and also took out, I had this little eyebrow cup that I used. Eliminate that from my storage as well. I know it doesn't look like much, but once I clear this stuff off and kind of reorganize, it'll look better. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do next. So yeah, give me 1 minute, but I'm pretty happy with the drawers for right now. It looks like it's gonna work, and then I'm gonna rearrange and I'll be right back. Okay guys, that is all. This is about as clean as I can practically make it. I mean, I still want my brushes out and visible, and I have my workspace and my filming area. Charger out of the way. Got a couple of stragglers. I'm gonna go ahead and put this up. I got a couple of sample powders, or deluxe travel size, my sharpener. Set of earrings. I can actually get rid of that and throw that where my earrings are at. yeah, my eyelash curler and my mixing palette, hand sanitizer. Honestly, everything else I need here, other than this palette, I'm gonna put away. Everything that you saw me take out of camera, it's not cheating. I gotta put it away. So I just put it behind me so I can put that stuff away. I'm gonna go ahead and film another video for you guys, showing you guys my kind of putting away process, because I also have a lot of new products that I have to put away and organize and stuff. So this is as good as I can get this. This is quite the other than my beverages, obviously. This is quite the difference you guys saw. So so yeah, I'm pretty proud of it. That was pretty quick. I'm pretty excited. Now I have a nice workable space. I have my dirty sponges that I need to clean, but I clean these before I use them, so that's why they're dirty right now. So yeah, this is a great space. I'm happy and content. What you see further back is my hair styling station. So that doesn't need organizing. I just did that one. What you don't see is behind you that still needs a ton of organizing. That's for another day. So yeah, that's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me kind of reorganize and clean up my area. This is kind of what you guys don't see on the daily basis, but this is what I work with. And so it gets harder when it gets cluttered, obviously, to kind of stay focused and find what I need. But now I have a great clean space. Now with my drawers as well, being nice and more organized, and having more access to all my eyeliners and all my lip liners right here and stuff. So these are not all my lip products. These are mostly my favorites and some new things that I want to try. Like these Ardell vinyl lips. I haven't tried these, even had them forever at this point. My brow products, these were on that little cup that I took away. Now they're in the drawer, so they're kind of more out of the way. Yeah, so I mean, I guess that didn't take too much from the top. I just moved some moisturizers were over there. I moved all of my primers into here. So I guess I just more mixed and kind of put everything together. All my primers are here, all my liners are here, versus just having my favorites here. Yeah, I mean, all my favorite cream products, my bronzers and blushes, my concealers, kind of hidden away now, and my drawer is just so much more organized. I put a little bit of my powders, just my larger ones that won't fit, and my bronzer that won't fit into the drawers, or I don't want to put back, because these are more of my daily users or products I want to try. I've been wanting to try this one. I still haven't used it. Nope. So just things I need to try: my hand sanitizer, a few moisturizers and primers that won't fit, my drawers, my things I want to reach for on a daily basis, or something new I want to try. My hourglass. This one is so expensive, I kind of just want to use it. Forget to use it. It was in my drawer though, so I never saw it. So now it's up here so I can see it and use it. I decided to keep my lip balms easy to access. I kind of wanted to put them in my lip drawer, but I kind of decided against that. So I'm sorry you guys can't see me. But yeah, I've been talking this whole time, you guys can't even see me. Anyways, so yeah, I'm really content with this. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Thank you guys so much. Make sure you give it a thumbs up and check out my next video on putting myself away, because that's gonna be a whole nother thing to accomplish. Thank you guys so much. Bye.